Welcome back to another day. We're gonna be going once again onto a journey hosted by our very own Arpi and Faipansi. Oh, and then I pick it. So we're Arpi. What's the name of this place? If I Tarki? Huh? Oh. Ground Plaza. Same place we were last year. So Arpiva Preopat Chitirki. Huh? Hey. Okay. Huh? Oh, ice cream place. How you doing? Okay. That's the crew in the back. Huh? The what? Is your video phone? Arab of it? Oh. Arpi, Toro. Ye bay, David ne what's up? Mogan not. Yeah. Apuga. One, two, three, four, five. Yay! Yeah. Arpi kau sepa boy kau pet lira wo ka toiki. Oh, that's the seafood section again. Poke. What's this? Oh, soup? Soup? Mouse? Red rice? Red rice? Spinach? Curry? Metara? Kamarsugian? Nice. Wait, sorry. this one, seafood. Sarap ka Rusya. Okay. Wait, awanar. Apa? We got this one. This soup is good. Eggplant. Thank you again, Pansian, Bedlin, for a wonderful meal today. Is this mine?
No, that's fine.
Oh.
Yes, please. Hello.
That's for mommy. That's for mommy.
Bukas magkalimat niyo sa Huwag na mga katurano. At yung lunch yan. So, may full tip ka na siya lang, ha?
My body expression is a crowd. Kasupang lo rasa tapi arap
Dami yung plano ng kanal. Akan mas...
Never navigator here. We're gonna eat and then we'll talk later. I messed up. Oh, thank you. Russian nakamut.
Yeah, be careful later.
All right. Time to wrap up. Still have leftovers. Ah, weekend. Oh, you did. Sa pari atapon. All right. Thank you, Arpi. Thank you, Petlin and Grandma Bansi once again.
Well, we pari udah tea apa walang lagi. Balik siya. Yun na ba? We won't get school again. Ito, brok siya na.
Iveram dito, no? Now, sorvetta with even here. Now taking a picture right now. Hey, Petlin me para sa Sierra Light. Yeah. All right, man. I'll see you at the house.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. No, Merati oh. Merati. Merati. Sapachu. Ever. Ever. Okay. Oh, okay. That's good. Mira, Sapachu. Mira. Nice meeting you guys. Wait. Ay, pugi. Sudah. Apa gak? Mematun dah. Yep, thank you for lunch. Thank you very much. Okay. Now we're headed back out. Okay. Thank you, Grand Plaza, for a wonderful treat. We hope to see you guys next time. And then we shall continue on the vlog. Oh, it's raining. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. It's raining, it's raining. Kambatre? The name of this place is, I think it's Kambatre. Kambatre. If I thought it you.
Yes, Kambatre smart.
Kambatre. Kambatre. Kifatak?
Kampatres.
Katress. All right. Katress Mall. Katress. $40 for one skirt. $50 for this, or $15. $20 for this. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful skirts and all this island wear. Have a day. We're now at the Kmart. We are currently in the souvenir section. Oh, it's just this one. Alright. So this is the rest of the Kmart. It's a big store. I think this is probably the last Kmart. They even have Little Caesars. Have it? Which one? Which one? Which one? This is the souvenir section. All the goodies. There's a special going on for Little Caesars. For one regular, the original price is $11 and now it's only $6. And you can see that there's a line of people just waiting to get their pizza. I'm surprised they don't even look. It's like even on Guam, they're having a special going on the pizza.
Iya,
Huh?
wow, ini.
I believe so. Yeah, yeah. It's the one that has the. Ah! Don't like the flies. Good. Today is raining. Not a good day. But it's not hot. It's not hot. Alright. Back inside again. Watch out. Don't run us over. Let's see. See, Little Caesars is back in that corner. And the line goes all the way down.
With a chocolate.
For $6. Yeah. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the videos that we're uploading. Here on Guam, we have 2 more days before we head back to Seattle. Thank you all for your hospitality, and we're just enjoying the vacation here. Yay, yay, yay. I'm so bored. I got dropped off the hotel, and then now I'm heading out to just check out some places. I'm gonna head down to see if there's a beach down on that side. Yeah. Lord, you're missing out, man. Sorry, mommy. I'm going on the Wawara cruise. I'm bored. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna try to head down to the beach because I want to shoot some drone. I want to get some drone shots. But you know what's funny? My leg is killing me because I am wearing Elston shoes. Look, see? I'm wearing Elston shoes and they're tight. I don't have no shoes on me. So, yeah. All right. But, yes. Acting like I'm a tourist. Just taking a vlog down here and I don't know the name of this place. But I'm gonna try to blend in and act like I'm a tourist. Yes. Dustin, I'm sorry. I'll try not to put dirt on your shoes. See, this is what happens when you're not ready to go on a walk. But yes, I don't have shoes. I don't have shoes. I'm wearing your shoes. So, all right. Hurry up. So, it's raining. All right. I'm gonna try to see if I can walk. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I am walking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. How do I get to the beach? Seriously. Trying to get to a place where I can get access to the beach, where I can get some shots. Anyway, one more day here on Guam, and then we're headed back to the States. It's been a awesome vacation here on the island of Guam. Alright. My feet are hurting. But see? Coach, Da, 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 da. ABC store. It's writing weird. Alright, I'm gonna try to see if I can ask around how I can get access to the ocean or to the beach. I think I'm gonna head down this way. Alright, I'm getting access to the beach. Woo! Looks like this is a really good spot. Hey, I got a question for you. How do I get access to the beach? Like, is it just out here?
Yeah, so just cross this bridge and then cross the second bridge down the stairs.
Is it free or do I need to pay for anything?
Beach is free.
Alright, cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright. So, I guess I'm headed down here. Look, this place is nice. Nice. Oh, it's slippery. It's slippery. How you doing? Can I ask you a question?
Oh, yes, sir.
I'm gonna try to see if I can fly my drone. Oh my goodness, it's raining. This is not a good day. But this is where I want to be, out on the beach. I was hoping that it won't rain today, but it looks like it's... Should I just push it? Should I force it? Should I force myself to get a drone shot? I'm just worried about my laptop because it's gonna get wet, but I should have just left it at the hotel. But man, this is a beautiful scenery. Look. See? It would have been nice. I think I'm gonna go down to that coconut tree and see if I can do it. Huh, let's see. Please don't rain, don't rain, don't rain, don't rain. Please don't rain, don't rain. Please don't rain, don't rain. Please don't rain, don't rain. It's raining. Please don't rain. Please don't rain. Please don't rain. But it is raining. See, it's down here on the beach. I want a spot here. Oh, so I'll see. Man, this place is nice. Really nice. Really nice. Okay. Oh, this is good. I should probably stay here. Maybe this is a good spot. I think I'm gonna stay here. Alright. Okay. Bad news. It's a restricted zone over here. I cannot fly the drone. I was just about to, but then I realized it requires a authorization code, so unfortunately I don't have those numbers available, so I'm gonna have to head back. But see how beautiful it is? Look at this. It would have been nice if I had flown the drone, but no access. Restricted area for flying zone. Alright, I wasted my time, but I'm heading back. It's okay. I think I should just come up here. Alright, I'm heading back, but see. Beautiful swimming pool. I'm going back. Okay. Going back. Shorapara. Man, it would have been nice. Alright, I'm going back to the hotel and I'm gonna see if I can just fly it from there. Okay, peace out.